Hello everybody. Here is a NuTone Decorator ceiling fan I got for Christmas today. Someone in Michigan shipped it to me. Dan Newman was able to find it, so credit to Dan Newman. Yep, it has cane stencil. I don't know if that's a genuine NuTone light kit. I don't think that is a genuine NuTone light kit, but everything else is completely NuTone. So it says NuTone-Scovill on the side. I know it could be a NuTone-Scovill decorator. It didn't say it was a decorator, so I'm not sure. But from the looks of from what I can tell, this appears to be a NuTone decorator. So yeah, so I got it for Christmas. It's a great fan. I'm also gonna be leaving for North Carolina in a couple days. And well, there's going to be 3 habitats we're going to, so I'll probably be getting even more. But this is a new fan I just got. I also got this Lady Delta fan. From Dan Newman's fire sale for $25. But I think my parents still paid for it as a Christmas gift, though, and they also paid for this one. So we'll give it a spin. Also, I'm going to tell you I got some electricity books for Christmas as well. I saw your video, Cool Cat 97. I'm very appreciative. I couldn't quite see it that well, so I'm still going to give it some time. I think that's something we'll do for my birthday. But they said in a few months or so that they would try to set something. My parents said they would try to set up something for me where I could test my fan. So you're not going to have to live with this for very long, but we're going to have to spin it for now. And I know you guys don't like it when I spin it. But this fan also it's really dirty and it's got some bearing problems. It's also got a really loose switch cap. You can see it shaking. Here, let's spin it again once. That wasn't very... There we go. That's a little better. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed.